This client bought this truck used, an F-150, where they have the little dipstick on the side and this fill plug. Whoever had this last stripped out this plug. So we're in here. The threads weren't too bad, so we're in here just cleaning them up. And obviously you're not going to be able to fit your regular tool in here. So if you grab a 15 wrench, the box end will fit on the end of your tap, and you'll be able to turn that pretty easily. And then you can look in here, obviously have your pan off. You can look in here and you can see the end of those threads, so you don't go too far. And then make sure to clean it out after. Make sure there's no metal hanging around here, and no metal in your pan, because we have ours sitting here. And then you can throw everything back together and get yourself a new plug also. All right, so I got our tap out, guys, and as you can see, that'll screw all the way in with my hand now. And then the size of the tap is going to be a 20 by 1.5.